sunrise shines another day, full of blessings that come this way. Unmatched is the farmer's passion, above and beyond all apprehension. The marvelous sight of the white gold, made in nature's unique mold. At IHSAN, we play our part, blending cotton and creativity into an art. 70 years of quality, trust, and excellence. IHSAN Sons' name reflects superior quality, being maintained by 3 generations for nearly 7 decades. IHSAN Sons is the flagship company of the industrial group IHSAN Pakistan. Possessing its own in-house fiber processing and bleaching plant in Lahore, Pakistan, we believe in serving our customers with the same quality and reliability we craft our product with to meet their high-quality standards. We are one of the biggest producers and exporters of bleached absorbent cotton in the world. Raw cotton of every type, based on customer preference, such as combed, strips, and organic cotton, is bleached on computerized, fully automated autoclaves. High-quality standards are guaranteed through production and quality tests held at every stage of production. Bleaching of fibers is totally chlorine-free and is done using hydrogen peroxide and other Ecotex and REACH-certified chemicals only. IHSAN Sons has brands made with 100% cotton and organic cotton, operating under the brand names of Belcot and Organicot. Our 100% cotton spunlace nonwoven fabrics are eco-friendly products. These brands are available in plain, aperture, and structured embossed construction in the form of rolls made only from pure, natural, soft cotton fibers. At IHSAN Sons, we understand that purified cotton works best for skincare because of its unmatched abilities and advantages. IHSAN Sons has a range of sophisticated cotton products such as cleaning wipes, baby wipes, soft cloths, and cosmetic pads, which are tender against skin, while their pure, natural, unbelievable softness provides greater comfort. The product is perfectly hygienic and natural, making it the best choice for skincare. Our Class 1 certified cotton wipes are luxuriously gentle, suitable even for babies, preventing marks, pimples, and other itches and rashes that may be caused due to the use of chemically treated products. Bleached cotton yarns and cord are produced according to international pharmacopoeia standards from normal and organic cotton for hydrophobic and hydrophilic uses. IHSAN Sons has its own in-house eco-friendly power-generating gas engines, which are reliable power supply sources and are capable of generating 2,800 kilowatts. IHSAN Sons plays a vital role to reduce environmental pollution by installing the latest technology waste heat recovery boiler with a capacity of about 5 tons per hour, with steam generation of about 1.5 tons per hour. At IHSAN Sons, we believe the world is dynamic, and so are we. Our R&D is devoted to transforming white gold from the earth into a fiber of our lives. This emphasis on R&D forms the core of our strategic development plan. The focus on R&D allows us to stay ahead and to improve our products based on the needs of time and our valued customers. IHSAN Sons meets the international health, quality, environment and safety standards. We hold major certificates of ISO 9001, Ucotech Standard 100, Product Class 1, Global Organic Textile Standards GOTS. IHSAN Sons is strongly committed to its supreme quality standards and ethics. It has stringent quality systems in place at all stages to make sure the right quality is delivered to the customer on time. IHSAN Sons began exporting in 1956 with its initial facility used for processing of cotton waste, a byproduct of the cotton spinning industry. Today, with a customer base across the globe, the company's exports spread from North to South America and Europe, including Russia, Africa, the Middle East, Australia, and the Far East. Keeping up with its legacy, IHSAN Sons has continued to give its strong support for the betterment of healthcare services for the poor without discrimination. IHSAN Sons, with its doctrine set to build a world free of discrimination, provides free schooling and free transport for the children of the staff who are unable to afford it. We also have organic vegetables, milk, eggs and meat, which are provided at subsidized rates to our employees. The group companies include